Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to fold a simple windsurfer. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering you something new every single week. This simple windsurfer is really fun to play with. I learned it in my grade 2 origami class and I made a lot of these when I was young. I haven't made one in a long time and I actually remember this through muscle memory. So with that said, please enjoy the clip. You're gonna have fun with this one. So just use a pen to curl the tip so it can climb over objects, and we're done. Here's the simple windsurfer. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.